Yes, children, open page number 36 of your math course book. Write date and classwork there. Okay, so we will start addition again. We will add a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Okay, so this is there is one school, and in that school there are some girls and boys, and you have to tell in one class how many girls and how many boys are there. You have to add and then you have to tell. Okay, so now children, see here. First is, children, you all can see here boys and girls, their pictures are made. First one is girl and second one is boy. First one is girl and second one is boy. Okay, now children, look in your book. You all can see here whether you all can see here that girl picture is there, and above that you all can see on left hand side 23 is written there. Can you see that? So this means there are 23 girls and how many boys? 25 boys. Okay, so in class 1A, or you can say in first A class, like we have alpha and beta section in our school, in a similar way they have first A and first B. So there are two sections, first A and first B. In first A class there are 23 girls and 25 boys. Okay, so 23 girls and 25 boys. Now they are asking you how many students are there in all. See here children, I have told you in theme 1 also, again I am repeating that whenever this in all word is there, this means you have to do addition. Whenever this in all word is there, you have to do addition. Now what you have to do, you have to add number of girls and number of boys together. Okay, you have to add number of girls and number of boys together. So 23 girls are there, 2 3 23 is written here, and 25 boys are there, so 2 5 25 is also written here. So now children, you should know how to read this question first. See here, you have to read the number in tens place and ones place together. Okay, so this is 2 3 23. How you will read this? 2 3 23. Then this is plus symbol. I'm making here also. You all should not get confused. This is plus symbol, children. Okay, so we will read this question as, Mayuri, come back. This is 23 plus 25. How you will read this question? Mayuri, tell me how you will read this question.
You should read and tell.
What are you saying, Mayuri? I said read question. First one. Just now I read. Because you were not sitting here, you were roaming here and there. That's why you didn't understand. Right? Children, please pay attention. Whatever I am saying, listen to it very carefully. You should know how to read the question. Then only you can solve. So this is, you have to read the number in tens place and ones place together. Again, I'm repeating. So this is 2 3 23. Then plus symbol is there. 23 plus 25. Okay. Siddharth, read this question and tell me what is that. First question. Yeah, read these numbers. What is it?
23, 25.
And what about the symbol?
A sim. Plus, ma'am.
Yeah, now read this question properly again.
23, 25.
Wrong. That's wrong. No. Scientific, read that question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now read question number first. Tell me this one.
Which one, ma'am?
First one.
Five, ma'am.
No, you have to read this complete question.
How many
No,
students
Ritvik. Okay, no need to read that. Just read this question. This 2, 3, 23 and this one. I'm moving
2,
on.
3, 23.
After that,
2, 5, 25.
that's it. Now first I'll see who can read this question properly. Yeah, Ketan, read this. Ketan,
Ma'am.
yeah, read that question and tell me. First one. Read this question.
3.
Huh?
2, 3. 2, 3.
That's it. No. Ashrita, you read this question. Yeah. First one.
Dance.
Huh? Ashrita, read this question quickly.
23.
Yes. Then? Yes, Ashrita.
23 plus
Yes. Very good. Yes, very good, Ashrita. 23 plus. Yes, what is the next number?
25.
Yeah, very good. So this is the correct answer, children. This is how you have to read this question. So this is 23 plus 25. Yes, I Ritvik. Yes, I.
I want to know the answer.
Now when I gave you chance at that time, you didn't read it properly, huh? Now later on, okay? Yes, Advait. Yes, Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were raising your hand. Tell me, do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I want to say one.
Okay, so later on I'll give you chance and then you can say, okay? Then you can tell. So children, this is again Siddharth, pay attention. Siddharth, pay attention. Siddharth, Ketan, Mayuri, please everyone listen. So question is 23 and you have to read this symbol also, plus symbol. So 23 plus 25. How you will read this? 23 plus 25, children, okay? So now you have to do addition. So how you will do? You will start adding the number in ones place first. So number in ones place are 3 and 5. So what you can see, what you can do is you can see what is the down number here. Down number here is 5. So you need to take out 5 fingers and start counting after the first number. Your first number is 3, right? Your first number is 3 in ones place. So start counting after 3. Okay? And take out your 5 fingers and start counting after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8, children. 3 plus 5 is 8 and you have to write that in ones place. Okay, so 3 plus 5 is 8, children. Now next in tens place numbers are 2 and 2. So down number is 2. So take out 2 fingers, children. And what is your first number here in tens place? Your first number is 2. So start counting after 2. Start counting after 2. It's 3 and 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4, children. 2 plus 2 is 4. So answer is 4, 8, 48. 4, 8, 48. And here blank space is there. You all can see in your book. So here also you have to write the answer. So how many students are there in first day class? There are 48 students. So you will write here 4, 8, 48. Okay, children. So here you will write 4, 8, 48. Write this fast. This is 4, 8, 48. Now, children, this was about first day class. Now we will move to class first B. Now in first B class, there are 21 girls and 23 boys. You all can see in your book. Beside this girl picture, 21 is written and beside this boy picture, 23 is written. So 21 girls are there and 23 boys are there in first B class. Okay. Now you have to add these 21 and 23 together. Fine. So you have to add this 21 and 23 together. So first you should know how to read this question, and you have to read this question now first. Hanvit, what
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
yeah, read this question, Hanvit. Second one.
How many students?
Huh? No, look here, Hanvit.
Yes,
This,
ma'am.
I'm moving my cursor here. No, you have to read this. What is there in tens place, ones place? You have to read this now. Yeah. Tell.
One.
No, no, no. I told you you have to read the number in tens place and ones place together. Yeah. Now tell.
2, 1, 21.
Very good. 21.
Plus 2, 3, 23.
Very good, Hanvit. That's the right way to read the question. So this is 21 plus 23. 21. So question is 21 plus 23 children. 21 plus 23. Okay. So now you have to add number in ones place. So now numbers in ones place are 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Sai Ritvik, tell me 1 plus 3 how much?
4.
Yes, 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Very good. That's the correct answer, Sai Ritvik. Advait, you tell me in tens place 2 plus 2 how much?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, 2 plus 2 how much?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer, Advait. 2 plus 2 how much?
2.
Start counting after 2 and you have to count 2 more. Forward counting. Take out 2 fingers.
Take out 2 fingers.
Yeah. Advait, turn on your camera. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm waiting, Advait. Please tell me.
1, 2, okay. 3, 4. 4, ma'am.
Yes, children. So 2 plus 2 is 4. That's the correct answer. Very good, Advait. So 2 plus 2 is 4, children. So answer is 4, 4, 44. So in this blank space also you need to write here answer. So this is 4, 4, 44, children. We will write here also. So this is 4, 4, 44, children. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we have done till here. Yes, children. Keep on writing answers. Now the question is how many girls? Next question I am reading, children. Look on your screen, please. Yes, question is how many girls are there in classes first A and first B together? See here, children, together word is there, and I have told you if in all or together word is there, this means you have to do addition. This means you have to do addition, right? So now question is how many girls are there in first A and first B class? So see here, children, I have told you, you all can see a girl's picture are there, right? So now see how many girls are there in first A class, children? 23. How many are there? 23 girls are there. You all can see here. It's given in your book in question. So what we will do, children? First we will write here 23. So write this in your book. We will write here 23, children. Okay. Now we have to write how many girls are there in first B. So in first B class, how many girls are there? 21 girls are there. So we will write here 21 beside this plus sign. Beside this plus sign. Okay. Write this in your book. So this you can write, and you have to write this here in this blank space also, children. Girls in class 1A is equal to 23. So we will write here also in this blank space. See here. Children, look here where I am writing. Girls in class first A is equal to 20. Yes, Ashita. Ashita, you were raising your hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm not raising my hand, ma'am.
Just now you have raised your hand, Ashita. Okay, children. So now see here in this blank space, you have to write how many girls are there in class first day. So how many are there, children? You can see here. 23 girls are there. So you have to write here. Brinda, please pay attention. So you have to write here 23 in this blank space. Okay. And how many girls are there in first B? In first B, there are 21 girls. So we will write here 21. Okay. Yes, children. So now you have to start the addition. First, we will add the number in ones place. Yes, in ones place. Veda, now tell me 3 plus 1, how much, Veda? 3 plus 1? Huh?
4.
Yes, that's the correct answer. 3 plus 1 is 4. Very good, Veda. So we will write here 4 in ones place, children. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we will write here 4 in ones place. Mayuri, now you tell me 2 plus 2, how much?
2 plus 2 is 4.
Yeah. 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good, Mayuri. So 2 plus 2 is 4, children. So answer is 4, 444. Now they have asked you how many girls are there in first A and first B together. So what we got? Answer is 44, children. So in this blank space also we will write here 44. This means 44 girls are there in first A and first B together. Okay. 44 girls are there in first A and first B. Okay. Arhan, you unmute yourself, Arhan. Yeah. Arhan, now in next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, wait, Arhan. I'll come back to you. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. There is one, I mean, one mistake is there in next question. Okay. Children, if you will see your next question properly, you can see here. I will circle this. Boys is written there. You all can see boys is written there. But if you will read this question, no, they have asked you about the total number of students in class first A and in class first B, right? So what we will do, we will cut this boys and instead of this boys, we will write here students. Okay? Yes, children, what I said. If you will look at the last question properly, they have written boys here, but the question is how many students are there in class first A and first B together. So what we will do, children, we will cut this boys. Okay, with your pencil you can do this. Cut this boys here. Draw one line and cut it. Okay, and here beside this, right here students. Right here students, children. Okay. Right here students. Children, do this. You have to cut this boys and you have to write here students, because they have asked you questions about how many students are there in first A and first B, and then in total they have asked you how many students are there in all. Okay, so cut this boys and write their students. Do this, children. Okay,
No.
Arhan, now you tell me in first A class how many students are there? Total how many students are there, Arhan? in first A class? Children, please pay attention.
Class 1A 48.
Yes, Saran, please speak loudly.
Students in class 1B.
First say in 1A.
48 students in class 1A. 44 students in class 1B. 48.
Yes. Yes, Saran, okay, I heard you. That's correct. See here, children, 40, you all can see here. 48 students are there in class first A. So here what we will write in this blank space, children, we will write here 48. We will write here 48. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Brinda, now you tell me how many students are there in first B class? Total, how many students are there in first B class, Brinda? Yes,
Ma'am.
Brinda, total, how many students are there in first B class? Brinda, see this line. Second line in first B. Yeah, how many are there?
448.
48 students are there in first A class. I am asking you how many students are there in first B class. Quickly.
It is.
44.
Yes, now it's correct, Brinda. Yes, children. So how many students are there in first B class? You all can see here. We did addition here, no? So 44 students are there in first B class. So in this blank space, we will write here 44. We will write here 44. Now what we will do? We will write this 48 and 44 here in this space. So here write, children, 48. First we will write here 48. And then beside this plus sign, we will write here 44. We will write here 44, children. Okay. Yes. So now, okay. Tanvishree, unmute yourself and now read this question. Unmute yourself first. Yeah. Now read this.
Question 7. What? 8 plus 48
Huh?
plus
Yes, 48 plus. Tanvishree, please repeat again.
48 plus 44.
Very good. So children, how you will read this question? 48 plus 44. 48 plus 44. Okay, children? Yeah. So now, children, what you have to do is, in one's place, numbers are 8 and 4. In one's place, number are 8 and 4. And always remember this thing, whenever we are adding number in one's place, whenever we are doing addition, we add the number in one's place first, okay? We add the number in one's place first. So in one's place, numbers are 8 and 4. So what we will do now? We will take out 4 fingers. See here, children, numbers in one's place are 8 and 4, right? And what you have to do, you have to see here what is the down number. Here down number is 4 and your first number is 8. So take out 4 fingers and start counting after 8. Okay. So after 8, if you will start counting, you will get 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 8 plus 4 is how much, children? 8 plus 4 is 12. Now, you don't know how to write 12. See here, children, I will tell you. I'm writing here in this blank space. Look here, children. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'm showing you here. Yes. Now, you cannot write this 12 together in one's place. You cannot write this 12 together in one's place because 12 is a 2-digit number. Children, please look on your screen. I'm telling you something. 8 plus 4 is 12 and you cannot write this 12 together in one's place because 12 is a 2-digit number. Now you have to see what do you have in ones place and what do you have in tens place in this number. Now children, see here, if you will look at the number 12 carefully, this 2 is in ones place and this 1 is in tens place. So what we will do, we will write this 2 in ones place here. See here children how I'm writing. We will write this 2 in ones place here, and the 1 which is in tens place, we will write it as carry over above this t. See here children how I'm writing. What I did, the number, the one which we have here in tens place, I will write here above this t which stands for tens as carry over, children. Okay. Now you have to add these number in tens place. So now in tens place, what are the numbers children? Numbers are 4, 4 and 1. You have to add this carry over also. Numbers are 4, 4 and this 1. Okay children, so 4 plus 4 how much? 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1. This carry over also we will add. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is 9 to 92. And we will write this answer here also in this blank space. So answer is 9 to 92. Children, write this answer here in this blank space also. This is 9 to 92 children. This is 9 to 92. Okay. Yes, so now those who have completed, they can take out their math textbook. Children, open page number 71 of your math textbook. Open page number 71 of your math textbook. Open page number 71 of your math textbook, children. I'll clear all this now. Open page number 71 of your math textbook. My practice time 2 is there, children. Yes. Write date and classwork above page number 71 at the top of that page. Yes, children, my practice time 1 we are not doing now. I mean question number 1 and 2 we will not do because this is related to carryover. Fine, and this is not in theme 1. I mean this is not here in your syllabus now. Okay, so we will do it later on. Now come to my practice time 2, that is on page number 71. Write date and classwork there. Okay. Yes. So now we'll start with our first bit. This is 44 plus 3. How you will read this? Children, you should know how to read this. This is 44 plus 3. 44 plus 3. Okay. So now again we'll start adding the number in ones place first. So in ones place numbers are 4 and 3. So now you have to tell 4 plus 3 is how much? Arohi, you tell me 4 plus 3 is how much? Yeah, Arohi, in ones place we are adding numbers in ones place. 4 plus 3 how much, Arohi?
7.
Very good. So children, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we will write here 7 in ones place. And we have 4 here in tens place. Since there is no other number in tens place, so we will write down this 4 as it is. Okay, we will write down this 4 as it is. Right? Now, bit B. Yes, come to bit B. Ananya, now you tell me answer for bit B. In ones place, you have to add number. Tell me 2 plus 6, how much, Ananya?
2 plus 6.
2 plus 6, 8, 3, 83.
No, 2 plus 6, how much? Yes, so we will write 8 in ones place. And now in tens place, what we will write?
3.
Yes, children, see here, there is no other number in tens place other than 3. So we will write that 3 as it is. So answer is, what is the answer, Ananya?
7
Answer is 3, 8, 38, children, okay? 3, 8, 38. Yes, Ansel Raj.
Ma'am, which page?
Page number 71. Page number 71. Okay. Sai Joshit, now you tell me answer for next bit.
71.
Yes, Sai Ritvik. Yes, Sai Ritvik.
71 is not there, ma'am, in the course book.
Textbook, I said. Textbook. Yeah, I did it mathematics. That book you have to take out.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sai Joshit, now you tell me answer for bit C. Read that question.
What, ma'am?
Read question number C. Bit C. Read that question
Okay, ma'am.
fast.
24 plus 1.
Yes, so now tell me 4 plus 1 how much?
5.
Very good. So children, in ones place, we will write here 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. And what we will write in tens place?
2.
Yes, this 2 will come as it is in tens place because there is no other number. So this is 2, 5, 25. Very good, Sai Joshit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So now next one. And children, this is in your textbook. Rohit Chaudhary, you read next question quickly. Bit D.
5.
Oh, wrong. Bit
D. Bit D.
Fourth bit. Yes.
1, 2. 12
Yes.
plus 2.
Very good. 12 plus 2. Very good. Now we have to add number in ones place here. So now tell me 2 plus 2 how much?
4.
Very good. So we will write 4 here in ones place. Very good. And in tens place, what we will write?
1.
Yes, there is no other number. So this one will come as it is. So answer is 14. Answer is 14. Very good. Manha, now you read question number 5. That is bit E. Read that question, bit E. E for elephant. Read that bit. Yes, Manha, read that question fast.
6.
No, fifth one. Please, Manha, read fast. Read that question. Huh?
41 plus 5.
Very good. 41 plus 5. Now tell me 1 plus 5 how much? 1 plus 5 is?
7.
No. That's wrong. 1 plus 5 how much? Start counting after 1. Take out your 5 fingers and start counting after 1. Quickly, Mana. Yeah, after 1 count.
2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. So 1 plus 5 is? Mana, 1 plus 5 is?
6.
Yes, we will write 6 here in ones place. And in tens place, what we will write?
4.
Yes, there is no other number in tens place. So we will write that 4 as it is. Now it's correct, Mana. So this is 46. Answer is 4, 6, 46, children. That